Today I'm going to cut a tree. Off, down, out. One of those three. Safety first. Plus 50 charisma. We were wondering what do you actually have to do for police to stop you? Because I was just driving, trying to turn on the camera like with one hand and steering with my feet, and starting to start. Andrea was drinking an energy drink, and there were two police officers on the street, and they didn't stop us. So I was wondering, what do you have to do for them to stop you? And we are going to Yorkdale Mall. The Microsoft store has the HTC Vive on stock, so I want to try that because it should be interesting. I have the Gear VR from Samsung, and I don't really like it. I was really disappointed about the resolution of the screen of the phone. It's really pixelated, but head tracking is great. So I'm really curious about the oh, it's dark here now. But I'm really curious about the HTC Vive's screen resolution. So I want to try that out. Fun thing, it's $150 more expensive in Canada than in the US. So if you want to buy it, just order it from eBay or buy it on from the American market.
You're going to yell out, "Go Microsoft," and the controllers will start floating towards you, okay?
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Go Microsoft.
Yeah. Now, got the controllers. Alright. Andrew, I gotta ask, right-handed, left-handed?
Right-handed.
Okay, so use your left hand to grab the controller with the colored wheel. Okay? And go ahead and reach out and grab the other one. It's cool, right? It's like they're actually there.
They are.
They are, right? Okay, so first let's get comfortable with the controllers. On the front of the controllers, you're going to have a large circular pad for your thumbs, and then you're going to have the triggers on the back. You comfortable with that?
Yep.
Excellent. Using your left thumb, I want you to rotate on the thumb pad, choose a color, and push down on the thumb pad. Cool. Hit it away with your other hand. Go ahead and show me 3 more different colors. Excellent. Okay. So now that you're comfortable with that, okay, using your right hand, I want you to aim at the word play in front of you, and then press and hold the trigger.
This is what I do most of the time when we are shopping. Just wait. But this weekend we didn't go to Eaton Center, so we didn't go downtown. That's a first. The HTC Vive was pretty good. You can still see the small pixels, but it's much better. What are you doing, man? Hello, hey. It's much better than the Gear VR. It has 2 full HD screens. Both have a 90 Hz refresh rate, and so you can still see the pixels, but it's not as near as bad as on the Gear VR, and it's really fast. The games were pretty good, but it's really expensive.
And you need a good computer.
And you need a good computer to run the games, so that will cost you a lot of money if you don't have it already. Oh yeah, my great camera stopped working while I was using the Vive.
Testing.
So because my card apparently is too slow, so I'm going to buy one at the store right now. I swear I could spend in there an hour easily, but I got what I need, so And Andrea was in the car waiting for me, so I had to hurry. And this is the new card. This is the most multicultural place I've been through here. There is different music in different places. You can buy anything here. Although it says it's a farmer's market, I think it's 5% of the people actually selling something are farmers, or most 90% of the stuff is just, I don't know, electronics, CDs and bags, shoes, clothes, yeah, stuff like that. But it was fun. You're not the fittest people of the world. You're pretty lazy usually, but today we came out to run. Fittest couple of them all. After just 40 minutes of running and a bit of 5-minute break included.